Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to make a fusion curry with lubia. That is red lubia I am going to use, and it's going to be vegan, and I am not going to use even garlic. So anybody can whatever diet they have, they don't prefer garlic, they can take this kind of dish, and which is a continental and a fusion kind of curry, which goes with rice or rotis or even pastas. So let's start to make the fusion curry. I'm adding oil. So no garlic in this recipe. I'm adding oregano and tomatoes. Now I am smashing the lubia, red lubia. So excess water is there. It's okay. It will cook along with the tomato. Then it will reduce. So the water I am not wasting. So I am adding the water. Let it cook for 10 minutes. It has started boiling. So now I am adding this roasted gram powder instead of maida, because all continental dishes has maida. We need to avoid that, so I am adding this roasted gram powder and then amchur powder. So it will be creamy as well. For that we need to add coconut milk, first milk, which is very thick. Leave it for 10 more minutes. Smash it. Or even you can use a blender, hand blender. Pepper. Now I am adding pepper, crushed, and salt. This is a good combination with pastas or naans, anything. If you want it to be more smooth, you can use a hand blender. You can add chili powder at this point if you want, but I am avoiding. Pepper is good. Even chili flakes you can add. And turn off the stove and add coconut milk, a thick one. Now this is ready to serve. So yummy it is. Try this and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra. Thank you guys.